Alright guys, real quick nugget for you here today. We are on the Windows command prompt, and I just created a folder and threw a bunch of junk files in there, just basically copied blank text files for an example. I'm going to show you the difference between a dir, or directory command, and a tree command. So let's start with tree. This is going to show us the folder structure within that folder. So I'm in the example folder. These are the subfolders for the example folder. So I have 4 subfolders. Now if I do a dir, it's going to show me all the files. And it's going to show me I do have some directories here as well. So tree by itself just gives us the subfolders. Dir is going to show us the subfolders. It'll also show us all the files within that root folder. Now tree /F will show us both. So I see all my files within the folder are here. This is the root folder. And now I have each subfolder with all the files in it.